Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're gonna share with you how to make cashew sauce.
It's a really delicious sauce that you can apply to any savory dish, and it adds a ton of flavor to it, all while still being healthy. Let's go ahead and show you how to make it.
For this recipe you will need to soak half a cup of cashews in water overnight. Then rinse and drain the water. Chop parsley and cilantro. Now chop 2 garlic cloves. Squeeze half of a lemon. Add spices for your taste. We're using black pepper and pink salt. Now add water to cover the cashews and blend until it's smooth. If you would like to use it as a dip, this is consistency you will want. To give it more of a cheesy taste, we decided to add 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast. Go ahead and blend it again. Check for the consistency. If it's too thick, add some water. This is how you want it to look if you will use it as a dressing.
You can use this dressing on any savory dish to add more flavor. If you enjoyed the video and want to see many more recipes just like this, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.